Emma wakes up at 8 o'clock on a bright Saturday morning. She's 12 years old, and her room is filled with stuffed animals and a small desk covered in colored pencils. Today feels like a normal day, but she doesn't know her friends are planning a surprise birthday party for her tomorrow. She pulls on a yellow dress and sneakers, humming a song. Her heart feels light, and she's excited to spend the day with her best friend, Liam. In the kitchen, Emma's mom is making waffles. The sweet smell fills the air. "Good morning, birthday girl," her mom says, smiling. Emma giggles. "My birthday's tomorrow, Mom." She eats a waffle with strawberries, the syrup sticky on her fingers. Her older sister, Sophie, who's 15, walks in. "Big plans today?" Sophie asks, winking. Emma shrugs. "Just hanging out with Liam." She doesn't notice Sophie's sneaky smile. After breakfast, Emma grabs her backpack and heads to Liam's house 2 blocks away. The sun is warm and birds sing in the trees. Emma skips along the sidewalk, feeling happy. At Liam's house, he's waiting outside with a big grin. "Hey, Emma, let's go to the park," he says. Emma nods, excited. She loves the park's swings and open fields. They walk together, talking about school. Liam seems nervous, but Emma doesn't think much of it. "You okay?" she asks. Liam nods quickly. "Yeah, just excited," Emma laughs. Liam's always full of energy. At the park, they head to the swings. Emma sits on one, and Liam pushes her gently. The swing goes high, and she feels like she's touching the sky. "This is the best!" she shouts. Liam laughs. "Wait till later, it'll be even better!" Emma tilts her head, curious, but Liam just grins. They play tag after, running through the grass. Emma's sneakers get muddy, but she doesn't care. She tackles Liam, and they fall, laughing. "You're too fast," Liam says. Emma beams, her cheeks pink. By noon, Liam suggests they go to his house for lunch. Emma agrees, her stomach rumbling. At Liam's house, his mom has made sandwiches and lemonade. They sit at the kitchen table eating ham and cheese sandwiches. The lemonade is cold and tangy. Liam keeps checking his phone, which is unusual. "What's up?" Emma asks. Liam shrugs. "Just checking the time." Emma doesn't push it, but she feels something's off. Still, she's happy to be with her friend. After lunch, Liam says, "Let's make decorations." Emma's confused. "For what?" Liam stumbles. Just for fun." He pulls out paper, scissors, and markers. They make paper chains, cutting strips of red and blue paper. Emma draws stars on some, her hands messy with marker. "These are cool," she says, holding up a chain. Liam nods, but he's distracted, checking the door. Emma wonders why he's acting so weird. As they work, Liam's mom comes in. "Emma, can you help me in the backyard?" she asks. Emma follows, curious. They step outside, and Emma freezes. The backyard is transformed. There are balloons, pink, yellow, blue, tied to chairs. A table is covered with a sparkly cloth, holding a cake with white icing and strawberries. Streamers hang from the trees, and her friends from school are there, hiding behind a fence. "Surprise!" they shout, jumping out. Emma's mouth drops open. Her heart races. "What's this?" she gasps. Liam grins. "It's your birthday party, Emma." Sophie runs over, hugging her. "We planned it for you." Emma's eyes fill with tears, but she's smiling. She had no idea. Her friends cheer, and her mom and dad appear, carrying gifts. "Happy early birthday," her dad says. Emma feels overwhelmed, but so happy. The backyard looks like a dream, with music playing softly and sunlight sparkling. They play games first. Liam organizes a scavenger hunt. Emma and her friends run around, finding clues hidden in the grass and under chairs. Emma finds a tiny paper heart with her name on it. "This is so cool," she says, laughing. Her friend Mia finds the last clue, a shiny ribbon, and everyone claps. Emma's cheeks hurt from smiling. She feels like the luckiest girl. Next, they eat. The table is full of food, pizza, fruit, and chips. Emma takes a slice of pizza, the cheese warm and stretchy. She sits with Liam and Sophie, talking and laughing. "How did you keep this a secret?" she asks. Sophie grins. "It was hard. Liam almost told you." Liam blushes. I was nervous. Emma laughs, feeling warm inside. Her friends worked so hard for her. When it's time for cake, everyone sings happy birthday. Emma's face turns red, but she loves it. The cake is sweet, with soft strawberries and creamy icing. She makes a wish, closing her eyes. I wish for more days like this, she thinks, and blows out the candles. Everyone cheers. Emma cuts the cake, giving the first slice to Liam. Thanks for this, she whispers. He smiles. You're worth it. As the sun sets, the party slows. The sky is orange and the air feels cool. Emma's friends give her gifts, a bracelet, a notebook, a stuffed bear. She hugs everyone, her heart full. This is the best surprise, she says. Her mom takes a photo of the group, all smiling. Emma feels like she'll remember this moment forever. When the party ends, Emma helps clean up. She and Liam tie up balloons and stack plates. Did you have fun? He asks. Emma nods. It was perfect. She hugs him tightly. Back home, she sits on her bed, looking at her gifts. The bracelet sparkles on her wrist. She feels so loved. Before bed, Emma opens her journal. She writes, Today was a surprise birthday party. I thought it was a normal day, but Liam and my friends planned everything. The backyard was full of balloons and cake. We played games, ate pizza, and laughed so much. I was shocked but so happy. I have the best friends and family. This was the best day ever. She closes her journal and turns off her light. As she falls asleep, she dreams of balloons and laughter, her heart glowing with joy.